Good morning students. Geography second lesson is lithosphere 2. In this lesson we want to deal exogenetic process. Exogenetic process main objective is external process of the earth, and second one different types of weathering and the resultant features. Exogenetic process, that is the process that occur in the earth's surface, is nothing but external force. Already we know that in first lesson entogenetic means internal process, that is below the earth's surface what it is going on. But this lesson exogenetic process, that is above the earth's surface, it will be having some activities, particularly the consequences of solar force and gravitational force. Exogenetic process, it can be classified into two: weathering and mass movement, and another one gradation. Weathering means combined action of all the physical and chemical process, that is the rock is divided into smaller substance. So this weathering, it can be classified into three: physical weathering, chemical weathering, biological weathering. Physical weathering is the breakdown of rocks without changing their chemical composition through the action of physical forces, that is due to temperature or due to pressure or due to rainfall. The changes it will be going on in a normal forces manner, that is without chemical reaction. It can be classified into three types. One is exfoliation, block disintegration, and third one granular disintegration. Exfoliation means the removal of outer layer caused by successive heat and cooling, that is on top of the rock layer it can be moved in a layer formation. It looks like a onion structure. And second one, block disintegration. Block disintegration means the rock expands and contracts due to continuous heating and cooling. That is in daytime it is due to temperature manner the rocks can be expand. During night time the rocks can be contract. So this process it will be continuously it will be going on. Finally it will be divided into smaller substance. And third one, granular disintegration. Increasing the volume of water causes the rocks to split into smaller portions. How block it can be due to temperature manner divided into smaller substance. But in this process the water it will be going on increasing means that speed manner the particle it will be divided into smaller substance, that is compared to its very minute particle. And second one is chemical weathering. The process where the rocks break down or weakens and forms a new substance caused by chemical reaction. So completely the rock changes into smaller substance due to chemical action. Chemical weathering is divided into four types: oxidation, carbonation, solution, and hydration. Oxidation means reaction of oxygen with the rocks. That is, if that rock is having iron content, mixing with the oxygen it will be changes into iron oxide. That is, if yellow color if there means the react with oxygen manner, change it into red color. Second one is carbonation. When carbonic acids react with carbonate rock, it will be disintegrated into smaller substance. And third one, solution. The process of dissolution of rock substance in water result in the loosening of the rock particles. That is, underground water mixed with the limestone rock. It will be going on attacking the rocks. Finally, this limestone, it will be mixed with the water, that is powdery nature. Fourth one, hydration. Due to the action of water on rocks based on chemical reaction, it happens in it and leads to breakage of rocks. So continuously the H2O, it will be react with water, means the top layer completely it will be reduced due to chemical action. And third one, biological weathering. Biological weathering means disintegration of rocks that caused by living organism. Disintegration means it will be divided into smaller substance. So everyone know that living organism means plants, animals and humans. So due to plants, mainly the pressure of the roots causes the rocks to be break down into smaller substance. Based on animals, the activities of animals like burrowing changes the chemical composition of rocks. And finally, human activities, mainly occupying the rock, change it into smaller substance, mostly in weathering. So in this lesson, particularly what is weathering, 3 types of weathering, that types we discussed. And next lesson means next part is gradation. We will see next class. Thank you.